Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Riot client is not launching or opening on your PC. Guys, first is go to your Windows search and just type here the Riot client and it will appear on the top, and if it does not appear, just search for the any game like the League of Legends or the Valorant, then make a right click on it, click on the open file location. Once you click on that, here you will see the Riot client on your PC. So make a right click on it and click on the open file location again, and now here look for the Riot client services. Now make a right click on it and simply click on the properties on the last, then just go to the compatibility. Now here just uncheck this box and just check the box of add administrator, then just click on the option of apply. Now launch the Riot client, then check problem is 6 or not. If it is still not launching, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Now click on the option of apply. Now launch the Riot client, then check problem is 6 or not, still not launching. So the next solution is make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager, open it. Now guys, if Riot client is running here in your task manager, first close it. So make a right click on it and click on the end task, then launch it again, then check problem is 6 or not. Still not launching, then just uninstall the Riot client from your PC, then install it again, then launch the Riot client, then check. This is how you can fix this problem. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.